everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this item right here. It is a 6-in-1 multi-tool pin. It is actually a great like Father's Day kind of gift. Like I wouldn't probably just get this for Father's Day, but it's something like if you added it with other things, I think it'd be really nice. I will actually be linking this down in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing one. But let's go ahead and just get right into this. So this is how it comes packaged. It's 6-in-1, save weight and space, great for home improvement, construction, carpentry, electrical, DIY, and everyday tasks. Premium gift box and fantastic tool gift for a man and woman. Gift ideas for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving. Worry-free customer service. Has the instruction manual. I'm sorry, like I keep closing my eyes. I have a migraine right now. Like I'm about to go like lay down. It's so bad. So this is how it comes packaged. So you just pull this out right there. So you can use this. It's like a pin. Like if you're using it for like your phone. It's a stylus, so like you can go through your phone with that. Number 2 is this part right here. So it opens and it's a little screwdriver. And then you can take this out and flip it around and it's a flathead. So you can see, so that's pretty cool. And then you can put this back on. It has a bubble leveler right there so that you can make sure that something's even. It's a ruler. The device itself is a ruler. And it's a ballpoint pen as well. So you just squeeze it like this, twist it, and it opens. So that is pretty cool. And these are pen replacements for when it runs out of ink. I'm just gonna write on this. It does write. It's actually really smooth. It's a really nice pen. And to change the pen out, you'll just, so you take that part off right there, and then you'll squeeze this part out and then twist this. And then that's how you take it out, push it back in. And then just push it in and you're good to go. Just like that. So you just pull and that's how you take it off. So super nice. Like I said, great Father's Day gift. I'm actually going to go put this out in my husband's toolbox in our garage. That way, next time he's doing something, he can use this. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.